Let's talk a little about finishes that are available for VM Zinc. VM Zinc is the largest manufacturer of zinc in the world. In fact, they've been producing zinc for over 160 years. And it's important to note when we're talking about VM Zinc that we're not talking about some kind of coated material. We're talking about solid zinc alloy. I really don't know why people would specify something that has a zinc coating on it instead of the real thing, when you can have the real thing for the same cost. It just doesn't make sense. And you should know when you specify VM Zinc that you're getting something that's 99.995% pure zinc. And we have traces of copper and titanium in it just in order to add some stability and also some performance characteristics in cold temperatures. But the finish that is most popular with the zinc, of course, is what we would call the quartz zinc. But this is what you're going to see in a lot of the projects, and many of the rooftops in Paris are made with natural zinc. Now, I should say with the quartz zinc, because natural zinc, you may not know this, but it doesn't come out of the mill like this. Natural zinc is really a shiny product. It's a lot like number 8 finished stainless steel. It's almost mirror-like. But in short order, when it's exposed to air and when it's exposed to water, it will form the nice natural patina that people know so well in zinc. Now, there's another thing, misconception that's out there sometimes, is when people say that they have through color zinc. Well, there really is no such thing, because if you were to scratch this surface, you would see the shiny zinc underneath it of the natural zinc alloy. So if somebody says that they have a through color zinc, I really don't know what they're referring to. So we can provide the quartz zinc, which is probably the most popular, and we do use this for roof systems and also for all kinds of cladding systems. But we also have some other colors available that we've developed. One of them that's very popular is called Anthra, and this is the black zinc, and this is actually formed with a factory chemically induced weathering process to get this black color. And all of these different colors that I show you will last from 5 to 20 to even more years. It really depends on where, what the climate conditions are, where they're specified. So we have the black Anthra zinc, and then we also have a number of colors that are formed by putting this coating over it. And the thing that's really nice about it is the zinc has a texture to it, so that these colors and these coatings that we put on the zinc are almost like a semi-transparent stain. In other words, they add the pigments of these colors that are suspended in the finish, but you can see through the nice grain, the nice rich grain of the zinc behind it. So it's a much richer looking product than like just a painted metal, for example. So here's an example of the blue, pigmento blue. We have a pigmento red color. And you can see these are very subtle. They're not bright colors because it's really using the beauty of the zinc in the color of the material. We have a green color, which is very nice. And now we've just come out with a brown pigmento color, which is becoming very popular. So all zinc eventually is going to patina to this natural color. And the thing that's nice about, by the way, the patina on the zinc is that it's a self-protecting kind of a layer that's formed once it's exposed to the air and the water, so that it's protecting the material. And if zinc is properly detailed, it will last for over 100 years. Now these colors are going to last, as I said earlier, from 5 to 20 years, even longer. But eventually, when these coatings wear off, it is going to patina to this gray color. What I'd like you to do is make sure you visit our website, shannoncorporation.com, where we have many beautiful zinc projects in all of these different colors and finishes from around the world, because zinc is truly a worldwide product. We also have on the website details of all the various systems for whether it be cladding or roofing, so that you have all of the details available to specify your project. Thank you very much.